In this video, I will be showing you the best shoe codes for Berry Avenue. So the first shoe code we have here is Pink Doll Platforms 12547586809. The second we have Kawaii Bear Sleepers code 12559888338. Next we have here is Black Doll Platforms with lace socks with the code 12547577781. 8. Next, we have pink platform Mary Janes with the code 12542078181. Next is Creek Clogs Pink 12883853844. The next we have here is Fur Boots Beige with the code 12448035319. And then we have Strawberry Shoes Pink 12860731767. Next, we have here is 3.0 white Gothic thigh high boots with a code 12554695672. Next, we have here is black sneakers with a code 12610689891. Next, we have here is baby blue doll platforms with lace socks with a code 12697966627. Next, we have Easter Spring Bunny with a code 12883560634. And then we have Fur Boots Black with a code 12448043598. And then next we have here is Fur Boots White with a code 12448669929. And then next we have Platform Pearl Heels Red with a code 12759408046. And then we have here 3.0 white platform Mary Janes with a code 1254020700940. And last we have Dolls platform High Heels Yellow 3.0 with a code 12481139637. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.